Good evening once again. This is Tyrone. This is one of my designs, my hot water tank. Yeah, I did it when I was in jail. Yeah, back in the day. Yeah. This is my old pump. We using poly nano tubing for our explosion chambers. You sync my video for my quart tank and two supply tank, two pump system. You can see how we talked about exploding the hydrogen inside the cylinder, pressing the water out and around the blue ring down. We call it a pinwheel. Alright, but now you're going to take a look at my one tank system that has one supply tank and 5 exploding tanks that filter the hydrogen to the top of the system. And this basically is going to show you the same system. Water flow goes up and over through the hydrogen turbine. Excuse me, in the last video I said turbo, so hydrogen turbine hammer. And you'll see that pump basically it works the same way. Water is circulated up through its reservoir up into the turbine hammer. It is hammered, heated, and ionized with stainless steel electrolyte with beams to rods to help convert the hot steam into high pressure hydrogen, which is flowing into a supply tank, you see. And when the water gets so far up in the tank, it overflows into these small chambers. They have directional flow valves on it. And the bottom of each tank has pressure valves on it. So when the explosion happens in chamber 5, it'll send a signal to shut all the other chambers down. Well, the backdraft on it, inlet, they shut the inlet down and press out through the bottom through the output around the pinwheel. And it happens 5 times in sequence, but we want to put a good enough brain on these to teach it to only fire probably just 1 or 2 at a time. It might not need to fire all 5. You hear me? Might not need that much power. So you can be able to be smart enough to say, just fire just 1. You hear me? You want to stay idle tonight. You hear me? You just want to fire just 1 tank and then keep everything just running just smooth. This is a good system, and I hope I can have it in the back of everybody's homes, for a low price. And you only be paying for the maintenance, management, and manufacturing. Yeah, that's all the perks you can be paying. There's no big companies to deal with. All regular, balanced out by the people.